Hello friends, first of all welcome all of you in my channel SNT Power Vision. Please like, share and subscribe. Now in this video learn about how to import a folder which contains multiple files. So we'll start now. For that click on the get data icon here. Click on this folder icon and connect. Now give the path of the folder here. This is the import folder. Okay. Now in this folder we can see there are two files, sales2018.csv, sales2019.csv. Many times it happened that a folder contains multiple files like 10, 20 and 10, 20, 30 depend on the requirement. In that scenario, it's better to import the entire folder itself only, and you can see the name of the all file with extension, date, access, modified, all the details here. Now combine and transform. So we can see a sample file, first file, name 2018.csv, 2019.csv. If you select 2018, we can see its preview here. If you select 2019, we can see here. Now, if you click on OK, now we can see here import folder. Now we can see data are getting imported from the first 2018, then 19. Now we can see this much row loaded and this much error. So that there might be another reasons for the error. If we see on the import folder icon here, so this is the combined file. Now we can see its detail here. Yeah. If you see your source name, the two source name sales 2018 2019.csv. Now we can see all the product ID details here. Yes. Now just apply filter on the store ID. See. Like this it work. This scenario is useful when we have multiple files, like many times it happens that we have 20, 30, 40 files. So if you are going to import one by one manually, it's taking a lot of time. So to avoid that scenario, keep all the files in a folder and import the entire folder and then combine. So in one attempt only all the files will be imported and getting combined. If there is any error and all, you can resolve those things here. Like we can see here some NA value. So we can work on this scenario. So this is the process